Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Let's start with the City of Detroit versus Matthew DeMarcus Loving. Case numbers SP 11886413, SP 119-12751, SP 119-12731. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew DeMarcus Loving.
Mr. Senator.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana El Sendor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right. So we have issue about payment here. I do recognize that you paid SP 119-1273. We're going to close that out. That needs to be closed. And for SP 1188641 and SP 119-12751, you need to till November 19th, 2021. Set that for review. 8:25 a.m. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. If it's not paid, then we need to see you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing
Yes,
further you have to say,
no, sir. Thank you so much.
are you free to leave?
Thank you.
All right, this is Detroit versus Anthony Parker Green Jr. Case number SP 119-15743. Green, same for you. I'm going to give you to you on November the 5th. You said you had that paid today, but I'll give you to November the 5th. The same applies. If you have it paid, you don't need to show back up. But if it's not paid, I need to see you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, any other questions?
No, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, the City of Detroit versus Christopher Gonzalez Riviera, case number SP 112016441. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana El Sendor, House Counsel, P79118, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, can you state your full name?
Christopher Gonzalez Rivera.
How old are you, sir?
18.
18.
Yes.
And I don't know what you're doing driving 70 miles an hour up Michigan Avenue.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I do understand that you probably were trying to get ahead of things and pay the ticket. I do see that you paid the tickets. But paying the tickets, automatically by paying the ticket, you admit responsibility, so you accept it. You got all the 4 points that were attached to 4 points for doing a 31 over. You've only been driving how long?
What was that again?
You have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Run his driver's license, please.
Hello.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Hi, this is Dorothy Lewis. I have virtual court this morning, but my Wi-Fi is messed up, and I apologize. I just I had definite me.
All right, sorry for your loss, ma'am. What's your name again? I couldn't hear that.
Dorothy Jean Lewis.
All right. You want to take care of this, ma'am, or you want to come back later?
Pardon me?
You want to take care of this today, ma'am, or do you want to come back at another day? Let me see. Hold on 1 second.
Okay. Unbelievable.
I don't see, Ms. Alcindor, how his license is valid, but it is valid. If he wants to get a deal, then he's gonna have to take the Michigan Defensive Driving course. So that's a 14 chapter online course with 14 quizzes and 1 exam, final exam. You'll have the option to take that course. Potentially, you can probably help yourself and if you do well enough, the city attorney might entertain setting aside this responsible fee, because I'm quite sure you didn't have an attorney advising you when you paid that. I don't know if you knew or not that you were going to get those 4 points on payment of that, and but because of payment of that, you admitted responsibility. But the nature of this, well, it's not even an allegation anymore. It's you admitted to doing 70 miles an hour over, and you got on here and immediately apologized for it, which I don't need to hear your apology. You need to slow down. You're gonna kill somebody or kill yourself, and you just started driving. How long have you been driving?
For 2 years.
2 years. And you got the gumption enough to just do 70 up Michigan Avenue. You might not need a license. So, do you want to take the course, sir, or not?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, I'm gonna put in the chat the name of the course. I put in the chat the specific course we want you to take. You see that, sir?
Yes.
you need to screenshot that or take that down just as it is so that you can make sure you get to the right course. They're going to give you a certificate upon completion of that course. I want you to email me that certificate ahead of your next court date. I also want you to take copious notes. You like that, don't you, Mr. Kaufman? I want you to take copious notes, and I want you to be prepared when you come back in here on November 29th, right after Thanksgiving, to tell the court and everybody that's viewing online what you learned. You're in high school, sir, still?
No, I just graduated in May.
You just graduated from high school, so you should understand that this is all like a homework assignment, and the better you do, the more consideration we'll give to that 31-0.
Mm-hmm.
All right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to have you back November 29th at 8:30 a.m. for a pre-trial. I expect that course to be done, and I expect you to take it very seriously and take as many notes as you possibly can, because we're going to be asking you questions on it. You're going to be expected to explain, not just state the obvious, and you're not supposed to speed or you're supposed to stop at a stoplight. We want you to go in very good detail about what you got out of that course, all right?
Okay. And I think I still had one ticket in the system.
We're gonna take care of all those tickets when you come back on the 29th, all right?
Okay. And what about with the money that I had already paid for both of them?
Pardon me? Well, we're gonna deal with everything on the 29th.
Oh,
You're not
okay.
gonna get that money. You're not getting that money back, sir.
Oh, okay.
So don't even, you might want to bring some more money with you.
All right.
All right?
All right. Thank you.
All right, you understand everything?
Oh, yeah, I do.
29th of November. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave, sir.
All right. Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Slow down.
Yes.
Let's get Miss Lewis.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Did you call Lock yet?
No, you're a walk-in, sir.
Okay.
You at work?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna call you because I see you at work, so we'll get you next. Let's do this. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Dorothy Jean Lewis, case number SP 107-39021, SP 121-923, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana El-Sindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, can you state your full name for the court?
Dorothy Jean Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, I'm sorry for your loss. What we'll do today is I don't have an offer in the file, but I see that Ms. Lewis has paid a related civil infraction as it relates to this. That civil infraction you paid, you signed up for 2 points on your driver's license by paying that failure to stop ticket. We can give you another date, take care of all this on another date, or we can take care of this now. You also have 3 civil infractions that aren't on the docket that it seems like you got these civil infractions on 7/2 of 2021. So what would you like to do, ma'am? What I will do for you is I will allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front, because we ultimately want you to have a driver's license, and it doesn't appear that you have a driver's license. So if you want to come back later and deal with all of this, I can allow you to pay that $45 up front, You can come back in here after, you get things sorted out and get a driver's license. And then you can come back in here and put this other stuff. What would you like to do? Or you can wait on an offer from the city attorney.
Can I just take care? I'm so messed up right now. But I can't think. Can we do it some other time?
What I'm gonna do, Ms. Alcindor, just take a minute. We'll let Ms. Lewis pay that $45. I don't know if she has any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, but obviously she's,
I paid all my Detroit tickets, and the only one I had left was the one when the cops stopped me. I had one of them new trucks, and I stopped at the light, but I didn't have no license, so I'm willing to pay.
Hold on, ma'am. Ms. Alcindor, let her know that I'll let her pay that $45. We'll just have her back, and then we'll give her time to get a license and gather herself. And with that, we'll deal with this one January 4th after the holiday.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, talk to the lawyer briefly, ma'am, all right?
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Excuse me, it's the one that was before her. Could you send the links again? I couldn't take a screenshot of them.
I thought you did all of that.
No, it didn't. I thought I had gotten the screenshot, but it didn't take the picture. Oh, and there was another one, I believe. Oh, all right. Thank you.
All right, wake up, sir. Sit up. This is not nap time. You down at the bottom. Sit up. Get up.
Who are you talking to? You talking to me?
And of course, you know who I'm talking to.
I'm not asleep.
Sit up.
Man, all right. Here's
All right. Who's Mr.
Lock. That's number
Well, one.
I'm in court.
That's a lot.
Okay.
Yes, you know. There's always these offers. Those probably gonna be a delay, I don't know.
Nice handwriting.
That's what's,
Oh.
perfect handwriting. Which road needs an offer, I'm sure that's just gonna be a delay as well.
Good morning, Ms. Alcindor. It's Tamika Horn.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
Good.
What's Mr. Logan doing in here?
You told me to come back after I paid my tickets today.
You ain't babysitting yet? All right, you're free to leave, sir. You can close out that improper plate.
Okay.
All right, thank
Great day.
you. You too.
Good morning, Officer Click.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Very well. Who do you have?
I'm here for Paul Garrison.
Okay. Mr. Hoffman.
Have a breakout with the prosecutor, please, and thank you when it's convenient.
Break out with Mr. Hoffman.
Is that on, Pedro?
No, Paul Anthony Garrison.
Okay, here.
Here's Garrison right here.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. Good morning, Mr. Bossman. I'll be zooming in, shortly.
Okay, I'm going to stand by. I'm sending my my appearance to the courtroom by way of email right now.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Cornelius Eugene Locke, case number SP 108-2123, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 108-22021. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir. Ms. Locke.
Ayana Elsindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Locke. Mr. Locke, can you state your full name for the court?
Cornelius Eugene Locke.
All right, there's an offer here. Well, first of all, the two matters, civil infractions are in default. They were had during the pandemic. I'll set aside the default. And then we have an offer here to plead as charged to the expired plates, except for responsible plea, $145. And then we have a responsible plea for no insurance. That's $195.
We can just let that one. I didn't feel like it was 195.
Okay. All right, 145. Well, let's see, $185 since it's over 2 weeks old. $185, dismiss the other two.
Excuse me, Judge.
$185, dismiss the other two. You have a that's a civil infraction, pay the fine, go about your day. You have a right to a trial. You have a right to a trial, or you have a right to speak to Ms. Alcindor to help you make an informed decision.
I can pay the fine.
All right, Ms. Alcindor, let me raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Alcindor, do you will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, sir, based on that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the expired plates. I'm gonna fine you $185. And, I'm gonna dismiss the other two matters. You're gonna owe a couple of reinstatement fees though.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna waive the warrant fee on the, one. You're gonna owe really 185. Let's just waive the reinstatement fees, on the two civil infractions. You'll pay the reinstatement fee on the misdemeanor. So essentially, 185 plus another $45, you should be able to get your license back.
Yes, sir.
All right, when can you pay?
I get paid Monday. I can pay Monday.
All right, I'm gonna put November 5th on there as well. So I need that paid before November 5th. If it's not paid before November 5th, I need to see you at 8:25 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir. Judge, what's the total again? 185 plus 45?
185 plus 45.
Yes, sir.
So the 185, just put that in there, you can waive the fees. You just pay one reinstatement fee of $45, right?
Okay,
And then we're dismissing the other civil infraction.
okay, waiving them on the civil infraction.
Yeah, waiving him on the civil infractions, he'll pay the 185 for the expired plate, and then he'll pay the reinstatement fee on the dismissed misdemeanor. All right, if nothing further, sir, have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right. What's Miss Lewis want to do?
She was going to come back, Your Honor.
She'll come back. All right, are you there, Miss? Or I don't know if she can. Is Miss Lewis there? Did she leave?
I think she might still be in the breakout room. She's on the phone.
No, I don't think she is. I think she left. So that's not good. We don't have a phone number for her either. All right, let's move on. So, good morning.
Morning. I couldn't find all the.
Ellie, Rebecca Goodrow?
Because they were,
Hello.
show
Hello, how are
calls
you?
from the
I'm all right.
21st.
How are you?
Just, printing a future date. Thank you, appreciate you.
It appears, Ms. Goodrow, you already pled guilty to this.
Correct.
And you owe money.
Yeah, I paid the 500. I believe it was like last week or the week before that, and then they just told me to come to court for a court date.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ellie Rebecca Goodrow, case number U338933016. Appearance for the record, please.
Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Miss Goodrow. Can you state your full name for the court?
Ellie Goodrow.
All right, so what we're gonna do is just, you need to either come down to the court or and tell them to apply that bond, and the remaining amount will be refunded to you in the mail when they have your correct address. Are you still at the Brazil address?
No, I have a new address.
So you need, we can correct your address on this. Let's get her, you want to put your address in the chat, or you want to say it on the Zoom, or whatever, how do you want to do it?
I'll put it in the chat.
You can just put it to the 36th District Court, or that'll be directed to me.
Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if you can get it, if you see it.
See it.
We need to call back in. We have to finish the application. Are you able to do that, please?
Okay. So I'm gonna give you a phone number,
Okay.
313
Uh-huh.
965-5228. We can handle this a couple different ways. We can put the request in, you can follow up with that request, calling that number. That's one way. Or you can come down to the court and and ask them to apply that bond.
Okay.
And then the remaining portion of that bond will be refunded to you in the mail. Or you can go online and pay the amount and then ask them to refund the bond. So what would you like to do?
Probably pay the request, I guess.
All right. Can we put the request in? I'll put her address on there. If we can correct that in the system.
Okay.
And then put the request in, and you follow up that request in a little while and let them know that you want to apply that bond to your ticket. And then they'll send you the remaining portion in the mail. And I wrote the address down that you put in the chat. So
How long should I wait to call that number? Is there like a couple days or?
no, it's gonna be just in a few minutes as soon as Ms. Nash can get that in the system. So give us about an hour.
Okay, an hour.
Right.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
All right, there's nothing further, ma'am. I don't see anything else here for you, so, is that, do we have, did you print?
Yes.
All right, very well. There's nothing further yet.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
All right. Is that Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Lewis,
Yes.
we're back on the record with Mrs. Dorothy Jean Lewis. I understand you want to pay reinstatement fee up front. Did you explain that to her, Ms. Slender?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and I would come down to the court to make that payment if at all possible. What we'll do is we'll give you a pretrial date of January the 4th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right, Ms. Lewis, again, I'm sorry for your loss. I hope all can go well with you and your family from here on out. And we'll see you back on January 4th, 2022. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right. Very well, ma'am. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
I've heard everything. I've heard everything about
Pardon me?
January 4th, 8:30.
January 4th, 8:30, ma'am.
And you say just take care of the $45 reinstatement fee.
Yeah, I will come down and take care of the $45 reinstatement fee, and theoretically, that should clear you with the Secretary of State. That's if you don't have any other tickets anywhere, though. And
No,
but that
I paid them. I paid all the tickets that I owed in Detroit, and the only one I had was the one that was. I'm going to court for it now. That's this one when I got my new truck.
okay. Well,
But
it should.
I would take care of it before the court.
All right, it should get you that clearance, and you can bring a good driver's license back in here, and we'll take care of this other stuff. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Carl,
Is that it?
That's it, ma'am. You're free to leave.
Okay, thank you.
It's got hurt pretty bad. This is the city of Detroit versus Carlo Lamont Gray case. Let me see. Case number U68775910 is a recommendation in the file to dismiss. I will adopt that recommendation. I'll dismiss the matter. I'm thinking due to the age of the case, and I will waive the warrant fee, and you'll be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee, $45, sir. Anything further? Can't hear you. You're on mute.
No, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. You should get a license if you don't need anything else. All right. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thanks. All right. All right. We put it in person today too. Mr. Baughman.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What are you gonna do with, this Garrison thing?
So Ms. Horn and I have had an opportunity to discuss the matter. I do have a motion in limine that I would ask the court for an adjourned pretrial date so that I could present that motion to the prosecutor. She would have enough time to respond to that, and we could have a motion hearing on or about that date. And thereafter, we will determine how the case should proceed once the court has ruled on that motion.
Very
That is
well.
correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so. All right, so nobody, you're in agreement with that. Let's delay in this trial for that motion, because the date is the date and time set for a trial.
Yes, Your Honor. And Officer Kalicki, are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm all right with that.
So he's gonna file a motion in limine to try to exclude some things because we've got two matters on the table of the same nature from a previous case.
All right, now,
Okay, that sounds good.
Where is your client, Mr. Bachman?
He should be in the meeting, Your Honor. If he's not, I can raise him in 5 minutes. I'm sure it must be a mistake. Maybe he's in the wrong courtroom. You would give me 30 seconds. I will make a phone call now, Your Honor, please.
I'll bring the file to you, Your Honor.
As far as this, I don't know if this, I don't know if this is this probation violation thing even necessary. I don't know.
I think the instant case is the nature of the violation itself. The defendant has paid all fines and costs and completed all course. He said it was a mistake. I'm sorry, he's coming on now, Your Honor.
And I think, Your Honor, because of the nature of the plea agreement, I'm actually believing because he did violate probation, I believe, Mr. Bachman, if I'm correct, this would go in straight up without the plea agreement. It would no longer be disorderly because it's contingent upon him complying with probation.
Well, that would be another bone of contention. I would hope that we could address that directly with the court, having briefed the court on exactly procedurally what's happened here.
I would prefer to do that so I can be prepared to respond.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll be right next door. And Your Honor, would you be amenable to me handling this case going forward?
I'm not, it's not my, that's up to you and your office. I don't really care.
Yes. Okay, for sure. And I'll talk to Attorney Goss when he returns.
There you go.
Oh, there he is. Mr. Bradfield.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Great to see you, sir.
Good to see you as well, Your Honor.
So your wife, we were gonna call her and make you come back to work, when we missed you.
Missed you, Judge. Thank you, Judge. Missed you as well.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Garrison.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry for my tardiness. I was trying to get on, but I was having complications.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Paul Anthony Garrison, case numbers U566032220, which is in warrant status, and U60064221. Appearances for the record, please.
Mika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Please, the court, Your Honor, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you state your name, please?
Paul A. Garrison.
All right, first of all, I don't understand why this is in warrant status. I don't know if you can give us some information. Can you put your name on the record, Mr. Bradfield?
Good morning, Your Honor. Gary Bradfield on behalf of the probation department.
And can you put your name on the record, Officer Kalicki?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Sarah Kalicki, Detroit Police Department.
And what's your badge number?
3380.
All right, very well. So first of all, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. All the parties are present. We do have a stipulated motion for adjournment, correct? That was presented by the defense. And I'm understanding that the people are stipulating to that adjournment.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so let's get that detail out of the way. When would you like to come back?
Your Honor, I'd come back at the next best action date that this court could give. The motion I would indicate for the court's information is a dispositive motion, and the nature will be apparent on the face of that motion. So if you would just give me a short period of time to prepare the motion and consult with my client about the specifics of the motion, and a similar amount of time for Ms. Horn to receive the motion and prepare her response. I think, Your Honor, 30 days should be enough, but I would ask for more time if it would please the court.
Well, I'm just going to go with what Ms. Nash has set out for. We'll have a pretrial date, and I'm going to call this a final pretrial date of February 3rd, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'll say that that let's make sure to have that motion in and that response in. Let's say, can you tear that calendar off there, Mr.
Yes, sir.
And we lost the thumbtack. Let me see here. Let's have the motion in by January 14th for the defense, and then the response will be January 21st. So, anything further on that? Yeah, let's deal with that. For one thing, I don't understand why the warrant. You already tried to recall it, but okay, all right. So, what we'll do is we'll deal with I guess the allegation of a probation violation. We'll deal with that all on the February 3rd date.
Understood.
Okay.
Yes,
And that's why that's why I had you in here, Mr. Bradfield. It was an attempt to recall that warrant, and at first it was unsuccessful, and I don't know if Ms. Nash figured it out, or the computer did something, or whatever, but now Ms. Nash figured that out, so we don't need that anymore. Other than that, is there anything further?
Nothing from the defendant, Your Honor. Thank you.
Nothing further from the people, Your Honor.
Mr. Garrison, do you have any questions?
I just have one question. I heard something about a warrant, and I don't understand why I would have a warrant. I have not missed court or anything.
Yeah, so I don't understand either. We recalled the warrant, so that's, you know. Now, what we will say is we will note that Officer Kalicki showed up for the day, for the trial day. She is present, so I'll make that record. And it's nothing further, then we will see you guys, well, Mr. Garrison, I'll see you February 3rd, and I'm sure I'll see everyone else probably before then, but not as it relates to this matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day and a great weekend, everybody.
You too.
Thank you. Have a great day, Your Honor.
Thank you, officer.
Safe out there, Officer Kalicki.
Thank you. You as well.
All right.
Good weekend, Judge.
You as well.
Good to see everybody.
Good to see you too. I told y'all we were missing you. But I'm glad everything worked out. Your wife was in here doing her thing the other day, and it was
good
to see and hear her and listen to her do her zealous advocacy. So
absolutely. Everyone stay safe. Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Do I have a phone
Paul Anderson.
You need to enter more. I just
You see
don't know.
the motion?
Yeah, I put all the information on my
Okay, there it
notes.
is.
Okay. Mrs. The prosecutor for Warwick's case, she said she's gonna be a little late after 10. She's got some emergency meeting she has to attend to.
So what we'll do is I'm just gonna take a recess. And why don't you call me?
Okay. Absolutely, that's in person, so.
There's some people outside.
Yeah, they're waiting already? Okay.
I think so.
Yeah,
There are
we're
two
looking
people.
for the Warwick case. Okay.
Oh, Warwick?
Yes, not until 10, so they have a little time left. But thank you.
I'm sliding
I
up out
think
of
Officer
here.
People,
I'm sliding up out of here on that note.
that was something you had to stay for.
I know Warwick. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time.
Oh.
That case has been going since
Yeah, so you know.
2019, I believe.
Yeah.
And Sydney sits across from me in the office, so I've always seen what's
Okay,
happening.
yeah.
Who's got W?
W is a Taylor, the Judge Marlena Taylor. Excuse me.
And Judge, do you still have the Garrison file, or does Madam Clerk have it? I'm gonna take a picture of the tickets.
All right, well, I would say that it'd be over, but I don't know if anybody will check in or not. Maybe we can, see.
Yep, I'm on standby. I'm using that room that Attorney Goss uses next door, so I'm right there.
All right, Ms. Alcindor, does the court have your number?
I can put it in the chat, Your Honor.
Yes, we don't have the person. I can give you that from here, something right now. Okay, so,
All right, what we'll do is, we'll leave the room open. If we need you, we'll call you, and you can zoom back in. How about that?
Okay, I don't mind staying, Your Honor. I could just leave my computer open.
All right, if that's what you choose, that's
so
fine.
November the 5th is what I'm gonna ask you to write down as the date to return. Okay, so November the 5th. 8:30. Even though you're not and so we need 2 sets of numbers. Just in case you're.
All right, I'll go to recess and, we'll be back.
It's 360 434 0000. It's like, look back to my screen.
Yeah, it's part of your background too, huh?
Look, I had to take my mask off because it's white. I got a lipstick.
Yeah,
Because when I go on Zoom, I had to put on lipstick. I had to do something.
Pending matters, and you have, no, you have 4 pending matters, which means.
Like if I had screened myself without permission on my background.
You know how much work it took me to do that? Because I couldn't figure it out. I worked on that like the last 30 minutes yesterday. You know what? You're doing too much.
Oh.
I was like, Stephen, how you change your background?
So that's what by default, it just says whatever you post.
Kind of stuff down.
Yeah.
Michigan state bank.
Yup.
We got Halloween.
Yep.
Oh, man. I'm so glad I parked early.
So, it's gonna be crazy. And I probably only be able to watch the last 30 minutes of the game. Because I got a lot of running around to do in the morning. So I won't get home till I think it's looking like.
Right, you get to speak to.
Yeah, I probably won't even get to see that. It's 12 o'clock. I wish it was at 3.
It's just like you said, like Saturday, Saturday's gonna be real busy down here too.
Mhm.
So you may not have.
Just like now, when you get like the before the storm.
Yeah.
Then you're considered a walk-in, so you
Friday
may not
nights,
heard right away.
I say like 4:30 when you all leave, and that's
So
what.
if you want to zoom in,
Yep.
maybe at 9 o'clock or so, Judge Perkins. Well, if you want to try to zoom in at 9 o'clock, maybe it might not, you might not have to wait as long. Try
I was
to clear
gonna
your
ask you
calendar
about that.
day,
I didn't
might
know,
have
but in
to
my
be
mind,
here
I
for a
was
while.
Ms. Nash, I'm gonna log out and log back in about 15 minutes or so.
Okay, great. We are at recess anyway.
Can I see that other case that case we just did, Garrison? I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yeah, no.
So I had tickets.
Okay, you have any more questions, Mr. Glover?
That's what I was, like, I looked at that stuff, I just, one, I just want, I want to try something that everybody else isn't want to try.
Right. Yeah, he'll do that.
Fire department.
That's what we try to do for all the people that.
Yeah, that's excellent.
Judge
Because
Perkins.
I didn't know they
Tries to get your license.
work like just 9 days a month.
But that
Long
doesn't
days.
include other jurisdictions. If you have matters there, you have to take care of that.
Use money that getting paid for this.
Strictly for Detroit.
Not to help,
So you have matters in other places. Just
And they'll help me with that,
Should be
won't
okay
they?
then. And sometimes he allows you to
You
pay
should.
your fees up
Should.
front, but if you take a leave the day of, then you know all that.
What you in your 20s?
29.
Oh. That's
Okay, we'll
awesome.
see
That's
you
perfect.
zoomed in on November the 5th and maybe around 9 o'clock,
When
9:30.
you finish the law
And
school.
we'll take care of all your
I
matters
don't
then.
know about that.
You're welcome. Okay, have a great.
Look, and get hired, but and then, look, be the fire department.
No, I think I might just go out. I'm
You know,
towards business.
Yeah, but that's good. That's a good plan. That's an excellent plan. You know, that's a really good plan. I'm proud of you. Good job.
Thank you.
So you had it today?
Yeah, today at 2:30. Hopefully this doesn't carry over for too long.
Yeah, yeah. That's pretty good. What, today?
Yeah.
In here? Have you been in here for that a couple times? So, yes. I'm glad it's not mine. But I think I'm gonna keep this last one. It'll be interesting, the issues that we'll be
Got you.
dealing with.
Then he didn't show cause. I didn't show cause. Oh, what happened? What was said? I was on the phone. Nothing? Okay, I didn't miss nothing.
I'm just hoping this, that this doesn't take, too long. I gotta take my assessment test today, home AM.
Oh, wait a minute. I don't really feel like, this case. Why did she give me all my tickets? Oh, oh, she just did put me in there. Is that one?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, hi, my name is Crystal Gray. I had a 8:30 court time. However, I just got home. I was catching the bus. I didn't take my paperwork with me. I completely spaced court. Please tell me I'm talking too late.
We're actually in recess. We're just waiting for the judge to come back, and I'll just let them know that you're here now.
Okay.
If you want to just,
So do I just mute my mic?
Yeah, if you don't mind, I appreciate that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see.
That was yesterday. All right. Yeah. What's up, Drake? Y'all expecting a counsel?
Yeah. Counsel and the defendant. Yeah, counsel and defendant.
Okay, all right, I just want to make sure, okay. Let him in.
Hi, Judge,
What's going on? How you doing, Judge?
Good.
Everything well?
Trying to be, man.
Oh, you good.
Always.
All right. Okay.
Three?
Soldier.
Okay, yeah, I thought so.
All right. All right, it's your show. I'll let you get in.
All righty.
So what, they getting rowdy out there?
No, I guess, yeah, he just,
Oh, okay.
he always does, he, just double checks. His, because, Warwick and her client, one of the lawyers out there. Yeah.
We have a young lady that just, text Ms. Horn, tell her about this offer we need.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Well, why are you so late now?
I caught the bus home from work. I forgot to take my paperwork with me so I could log in.
What is a gray, crystal gray?
Yes, sir.
That would make you come on in. You have a vehicle now, madam, or no?
No.
Morning, Ms. Nash, how you doing?
All right, an improper plate, $240 fine will dismiss the other two. I'll let you speak with, counsel if you'd like. We can set a trial date if you'd like. Or we can, let you take that deal. Let me see here.
What's the deal?
You got, Dina, Deanna, and Rihanna. Two different, are you, let's see, when is your date of birth?
12/3/1983. I'm Crystal Renee Gray. It is spelled Rihanna, now that I think about it, yeah.
Okay, so, all right, so, I don't, this may be a better thing to set for trial off for her, your client. I don't know how y'all want to handle this, but there's cases are, one case is 2015 and the other two cases are 2018. I can get her a trial date as soon as possible.
Please, so I could try to get this situated. I didn't even remember about the 2015 and 2018. I literally was bouncing from place to place.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Let me stop. Let your attorney, Ms. Alcinder's on the line. She can do the work for you. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Crystal Rihanna Gray, case number SP 490274.
Your Honor, can you repeat that? I apologize.
No problem. This is the city of Detroit versus Crystal Rihanna Gray, case numbers SP 490274, counts 1, 18417163, counts 1 and counts 2. Parents for the record, please.
Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, can you state your full name for the court?
Crystal Renee Gray.
So, here's what we'll do. I mean, we'll dismiss these cases because the client paid 2 related civil infractions to the one case. The other 2 cases, you're going to get a Christmas present in October, ma'am. I'm going to dismiss the case for you, and I'm going to waive the warrant fees, and you're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees, all right? That's $45 a piece.
Thank you.
All right, ma'am. You pay that $135, and you should be clear here at 36th District Court, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you. Oh, man.
You're free to leave, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
All right, you have a better one. Who's Arthur?
Arthur Layton, maybe?
Arthur?
Yes.
Are you Arthur Layton?
Yes.
Why are you so late?
It said 10:30 on this paper. I thought I was logging in early. It said on this letter 10:30.
Oh, mine says 8:30.
I'm sorry.
Let's see.
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
Jackson, this one, he got quite a few. I'll print them out right now.
What's going on with this what's your date of birth, sir?
You said, what is it?
What's your date of birth?
4/28/81.
I'm gonna have to go back to Mrs. Judge Bryant with that old probation case you haven't paid that money on.
Actually, I had a court date last week, and they put me back on that probation until sentencing on December 2nd.
Okay, that's good.
So I know she out of town. She'll be back on November 2nd. So I'll meet with her then.
All right, I was glad I don't have to deal with it.
Okay, you said you're done with that. Yeah.
All right, let's do this, because I only see 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Oh, Leighton Woods too. And then we have just Leighton too, right? Or do you want to do it all of them?
You should give me all of them. I'll do another search.
It seems like it gives me all of them.
You said you're not getting them all?
I'm getting them all. What's on that ticket? Is that ticket got your name, Leighton Woods? On that notice?
And someone got Leighton Woods, 2019.
It does have Leighton Woods?
Yes.
What's the ticket number?
All these printouts just got Leighton. Yeah, all these printouts just got Leighton on there.
It's everything, ROAs, all ROAs.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all say Leighton.
Yeah, I see how they have it in the system.
10 o'clock.
Let me see. 8:30 in the system.
8:30. We're gonna wait and try to get an offer for you. You have some under Leighton Woods too. Is that you as well?
Yes.
8:30.
It's rain like that.
That's right.
Sounds like.
It's raining.
Where did the vent come on like that?
I didn't hear anything. I got this, I guess, man.
Call,
I did.
call it.
That's it.
Yes.
She said, gotcha. She'll be, I guess, coming in shortly.
We're gonna wait on the city to get you an offer.
Oh, yeah.
When we get that offer, we'll call the case and you'll have a right to a trial. You'll have a right to speak with Ms. Alcindor online as the defense attorney, or you can take the offer.
Okay.
It is raining,
Pretty hard.
Yeah, look at it. Right at 10:09.
I should look that way. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I gotta get used to that. Okay.
All right, one call cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Arthur Report Latham Woods, AK Arthur Report Layton. Case numbers SP 1095586, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1095587, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 7590351, SP 954488, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana El-Sendor appearing on behalf of Mr. Layton. Mr. Layton, can you state your full name for the court?
Arthur Deport Layton Woods.
All right. There's an offer and file to plead as charged to the open intox driver. That's a 2-point offense. I'll fine you $240 for that. Plead to the improper plates, amended count of improper plates. That is a misdemeanor. That doesn't abstractly carry any points. I'll fine you $240 for that. And it appears that the city is willing to dismiss everything else. Be $480. You'll be getting 2 points on your license. You'll have a right to a trial. You have a right to speak with Ms. Alcindor in a breakout room. I'll waive the warrant fees, but I'm going to hold you responsible for the reinstatement fees. And you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. That won't be a part of the payment. If you want to enter into this agreement today, you don't have to concern yourself about paying that. All I care about is the $480. But for your purposes, those reinstatement fees need to be paid so you can get clearances here. What would you like to do, sir?
Pay the $480.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
That was a question?
Yes.
Yes.
You understand by taking this deal, you understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to December the 9th of 2018 at around 6:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schoner and 7 Mile, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
On that date, were you operating a 2008 Chrysler?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
It was liquor.
What kind of liquor was it?
I really, truly don't remember.
Was it open?
Yeah, it was open.
All right. And there was some liquor in that cup in the container?
Yes.
All right, very well. You satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied. Find you guilty to, as charged to operating open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. That's going to be 2 points. That's going to be $240 fine. For the next ticket, sir, let me draw your attention to the July the 3rd, 2020 at around 5:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Alter and Perkins Street. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
And on that date, sir, were you operating a 2009 Chevy?
Yes.
And on the Chevy, was there something that officer asked you to produce, valid insurance?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
You said give them the insurance paper? It had expired.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find you guilty to the amended count of improper plates. Fine you $240 for that. With the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'll dismiss all the other counts.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
When can you pay, sir?
Today before I go to work. No, I'd say Monday because I don't want to rush myself. Monday.
All right, let me give you till November the 5th.
Okay.
If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. If it's not paid, you're gonna have to show back up. But keep in mind, you're gonna have to, outside that $480, you're gonna have to pay those reinstatement fees to get completely cleared here, so. But I'm not gonna concern myself with that, that's gonna be on you, all right?
Okay.
Got November 5th, at a review at 8:25 a.m. If you paid that, you don't have to show back up.
Okay.
If you haven't paid it by then, I need to see you, sir, at 8:25 a.m. on November 5th.
Okay.
All right, any questions?
No.
All right, have a very good day, sir.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Bye. All right, Ms. Alcindor, we're gonna shut it down.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You have a better one, thank you.